Chakra balancing. Chakras are located at the top of each organ in your energy field, which is about 6 to 12 inches above. It has been used for thousands of years. It is a process of cleansing your body and balancing your auras. We live in a bioplasmic energy field, which is made up of electricity and ionized gas that have positive and negative charged particles. Being that we all live in this field, we are all affected. Our aura is affected, and energy travels through our meridians. We get stressed, and the stress affects our organs. Then sickness sets in. At our spa, we use 2 different techniques to help get your body back in balance: Reiki and pranic healing to balance your chakras. This process helps in depression, stress relief, and overcoming pain. Your body goes into complete relaxation. You'll be able to find peace and fill your heart and mind with love. Discover the inner strength to create your own well-being.